In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to create a new product record, set key details like its status and price, and tour the related information that helps you manage it. I'll also show you how to remove a product and quickly undo that action if needed. Start from the Salesforce homepage. Open the app launcher, the grid icon in the upper left, and search for or select products. This takes you to the products workspace where you can view existing items and create new ones. Click New to begin creating a product. In the product form, begin by entering the product's name. For this walkthrough, we'll type cookies, but use your own product name. Clear naming makes searches, reports, and quotes much easier later on. Next, click the field that currently shows None. This is typically the product family pick list. If your organization uses families to group items, you'll choose one here. If not, simply acknowledge the field and move on. The important thing is that you know where the category lives for future updates. Add your identifiers next. Enter the product code and the SKU. Think of product code as the internal or catalog code, while SKU often reflects warehouse or inventory labeling. Keeping these consistent with your other systems helps with integrations and reporting. If you need to, click back into the product name field to confirm everything looks correct. Now, make the product available by switching it to active. Click the active option to turn it on. If your screen doesn't reflect the change immediately, click again to ensure the toggle or checkbox shows the product as active. Many teams only allow active products to appear on quotes or opportunities, so this is a key step. Provide a brief description that captures what the product is, what's included, and any details that help sales or service teams use it correctly. Clear descriptions reduce confusion and support faster onboarding for new teammates. When those basics are in place, click Next to proceed. On the pricing step, click into the list price field. Enter the standard price for the product based on your organization's pricing strategy. This is typically the base price used in your standard price book. Double check that the amount is correct and formatted properly. When you're satisfied, click Finish to save the product. After saving, switch to the Related tab. This is where you'll find all the associated information that brings your product to life across Salesforce. Click Child Components to see how this product might be part of a bundle or kit. If you manage product hierarchies, this area becomes essential for building and maintaining composite offerings. Next, click Categories. If your Salesforce setup includes storefront or catalog categories, this section helps ensure your product appears in the right places for users or shoppers. Then, click Commerce Entitlement Policies. If your org uses entitlements for things like access, warranties, or subscriptions, you'll manage those connections here. It's fine if this section is empty in your environment, just know where to find it. Click Price Books to review where this product's pricing is active beyond the standard list price. Many companies use multiple price books for regions, partners, or promotions, so this view is helpful when you're maintaining price coverage. To attach reference material, click New Note. This opens a secure note editor for internal context, like packaging details or internal handling tips. If you need to revise details, click Edit to open the product for changes. And if you ever need to remove a product, click Delete. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again in the prompt. If you change your mind right away, look for the confirmation message that appears at the top and click Undo to restore the product instantly. That's it. You created a product, set it active, added pricing, explored related data, and learned how to safely delete and undo. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay sections as you add products to your own Salesforce setup.